Today is a review day. We're going to go over the vocabulary that we have learned Monday through Wednesday, and we'll do some practice questions. Tomorrow you will have a quiz on Canvas that will have very similar questions. We will still meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I'll talk to you for a few minutes before I send you to do the quiz. Monday, we do not have Zoom. No Zoom on Monday. I will have a video for you to watch on Canvas, current lesson. Which word means rocky layer? A, lithosphere, B, crust, or C, asthenosphere? All right, the correct answer for this one is A, lithosphere. Lith means rock, sphere means layer, rock layer, rocky layer. If we look at the picture, the lithosphere is the hard plate, the top. We've got the crust and part of the upper mantle. Crust and upper mantle, rocky layer. Number 2, which layer has convection? Convection is this, where the rock can melt and move. Hot rock rises, cool rock sinks in a big circle. Where does that happen? Is that A, in the lithosphere, B, in the crust, or C, in the asthenosphere? Correct answer on this one. A couple of you got this right. Good job. It is the asthenosphere. So you have the lithosphere on top, and underneath it is the circles, the asthenosphere that is moving and convecting. Number 3, which is not a type of crust, not crust. A, ocean, B, continent, or C, mantle? So the correct answer here is the mantle. We actually have ocean crust. Ocean crust is thin, and we have continent crust. Continent crust is thick with the mountains. And notice the ocean crust has water on top of it. That's okay. So the crust is this top part, continent crust and ocean crust. But the mantle is the green part. The mantle is the convection. It's not crust. Crust on top. What is number 1? What's it pointing at? Notice it's got 2 parts. Is number 1 pointing at the ocean, the lithosphere, the rocky layer, or the mantle? The correct answer here is the mantle. Remember, the top part is the crust. So this would be the continent crust and the ocean crust. But the lithosphere would be these two, the top and the middle one. The mantle is the middle and the bottom. What's just the bottom called? It's called the asthenosphere. So because it's both of them, this is referring to the mantle. Number 5, which does not show the continents move. We have proof that the continents can move. Fossils, caves, or the shape of the land, land shape. The correct answer here is B. Caves do not show that. Here we see fossils. Remember that fossils are in the rocks. And yeah, we had dinosaurs that lived when it was pushed together. So that means that these have moved apart. And land shape, remember how they fit together like puzzle pieces? That means they used to be connected and they have moved apart. So that's good. But a cave is just underground with a hole in it. That could form even if the continents don't move. If the continents were still, water makes a cave, not the movement.